Hey, what's up, everybody? Today I'm going to talk about CobinHood's investment vehicle product, which is investment product for you to invest in, and of course, earn some cryptocurrency with your additional cryptocurrency that you can afford to lose. I would say that. And of course, if you're not subscribed to the channel, kindly hit the subscribe button and hit the post notification and leave a thumbs up. And let's get started. So basically, what is CobinHood? This exchange about the investment vehicle that I want to talk about. The link is gonna pop. The thing is gonna pop above. It's gonna be above, so you can click on it and understand what is the financial product about. And let's get started. So as you can see, the financial product has been live for 14 days, and as you can see, the profit returns, it went up very high, up to 1.1%, and after that 1.14, and slowly decreasing over time. So as you can see right now, as of today, there's a negative 3.17% return. So as you can see, the return here is not great. There's a negative amount over here, but at the end of the day, at the end of this lockup days, 90 days, we are able to see the true profit, the total return from this investment. So right now it's just like an update of the chart, how well they are doing and how badly. So right now it's very bad, negative 3.17%. Therefore, yeah, hopefully the days that's gonna come, and of course, hopefully by the 90 days lockup period is going to increase over time. And of course, hopefully it will not give a negative return at the end of the 90 days, but it is possible, remember? So it is possible. Therefore, if you are interested in Robinhood or this exchange, because this exchange has zero fees, so basically if you do any trade or whatsoever, there's a zero commission fee. Therefore, it's quite a good exchange for you to do tradings if you not those like large trading or whatsoever, because the volume over here is not really high. But if you are willing to do some trading over here, you are able to get rewards by trading, and of course 0% fee. And I'm going to show you a cool update of it. Not an update, it's a feature of it that I use it daily. Therefore, as you can see over here, once you sign up, referral link is going to be down below. So once you sign up for Robinhood using my referral link, as you can see, the first stage, if you create an account, you're able to get this 10 candy machine ticket. So I get 10, you get 10, and after that, if you pass the verification part, which is stage 2, you are able to receive 100 CobinHood tokens, and I'm going to receive 100 COB. And of course, if you did an order like complete 5 trades or whatsoever, you are able to receive 10, and I'm going to receive 10 COB. Therefore, this is free. So that's basically this is free stuff. So you will be quite interested in this referral program because it's giving you and me free stuff, and in a way, it's gonna support me. And what is the candy machine about? So as you can see over here, wondering how to get free Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other cryptocurrency. So this over here is going to show you how to get. So we're going to click on get more ticket now. So basically over here, so I'm going to scroll down. Um, so if you do a trade, let's say COB, so you can get 3 candy machine just by simply doing exchanging 1 COB point, and after that you are able to get this trade. So how do you get 1 COB point? So basically you need to have Robinhood token. You have to buy CobinHood token, and from there you're gonna get points. So let me show you how do I get points. So it should be under account. So as you can see over here, COB points, so you can click on claim. So I have some COB on this exchange, that's why I'm able to use the feature. This COB, I am able to get COB points, so you need to hold the point, hold the coin, and you will get COB points daily. You have to claim it before 7 days, therefore you can claim it every 6 days, and you are able to get the point to redeem for the free token, the candy machine. So as you can see over here, free token, candy machine, get more. This one redeem 3. So as you can see, I can redeem it now. So I can redeem and mission accomplished. And after that, the next one you can get a candy machine for free is just complete 1 trade. So just a small trade or whatsoever with any pair, you're able to get 1 candy machine, and remind you that the exchange has 0 fee. Therefore, you can trade and after that trade back whatsoever, just to do this get this 1 free ticket candy machine slot. So you can trade now. From there you can trade with the pair whatsoever, but I'm not going to do any trading. I'm going to show you how does the candy machine work. So click on this and try now. So as you can see, it's spinning, and from there you're gonna receive tokens. So this is XXT. It's gonna tell you what is it about, and you're gonna get free stuff. Try again. Another token SHPING. So it's another token listed on the exchange. So you can spin again. So 3 tries. So far from all my tries that I've received is mostly FXT, SHPN, or SV Android those projects. So by now, from the start until now, I have no luck getting the Bitcoin or Ethereum that they are offering, but I do not know if anybody got it. So if you're in the CobinHood community ecosystem, our exchange, kindly please um, show about like share rewards, so that from there we will know if you did receive like Bitcoin or Ethereum from the candy slot machine. Therefore, I do not know about it, and of course, yeah. So basically, this is one feature that you'll be interested in, free stuff. So it's the candy machine, and after that, the referral program is giving free stuff as well. So if you do not use my link or whatsoever or other people's link, you are able to get free stuff on other people's link as well. But in a way of supporting the channel, you can use my link, and of course, you will get free stuff as well and the candy machine. So in order to get free stuff, you have to invest a little bit of Ethereum or Bitcoin or whatsoever crypto you have to buy some COB token. So the COB token is quite cheap, I would say, right now. So as you can see, it's just 542 Ethereum, 0.000 blah 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 Ethereum to get one COB. So let's say if you want to buy 1,000, which is only $12. So as you can see, to buy 1,000 COB is just $12. So right now, how many do I have? So click on wallet, and as you can see, COB, I have around 5,000 COB, which I've invested previously. I've invested and bought some during the ICO phase, and of course other phases as well. So COB holding it is somehow good by giving free tokens. So as you can see, the token below or over here, which is free, all free just by spinning the lottery thingy. So as you can see, just only few cents, but yeah, just basically keep COB tokens and keep trying the spinning lottery, and hopefully one day get something big. But it's just like free stuff, why not? So keep spinning every day. Every day, 24 hours, you can claim the COB thingy, and after that, from there, reap the rewards from the candy machine. So on the investment tool as financial product, as you can see right now, it is all locked up. Everything is already settled and locked up. Therefore, in the future, they might open up a new one over here. That's why if you are interested in this financial product, you are able to register now, purchase some COB, and of course do some lottery stuff, the candy machine, and from there, hopefully you can win something nice. And of course, on this investment end, hopefully it's going to open up a new one and you are able to invest in. So basically what it is, so from the previous investment project until now, basically they're just raising BTC, BTC over here, and some US dollar tether. Therefore, you can stock up your BTC over here, and from there, if the next investment opportunity has open up, you are able to invest in it. And of course, I'm going to do updates on it if you are interested. So that's all for this video. Hope you like the video. Leave a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and turn on post notification if you really want to know about the next update or whatsoever, and the next opportunity that I'm going to release, and of course any update that you're interested in this channel. That's the end of this video, and peace.